Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can invest cryptocurrency online. To invest in cryptocurrency, it is most profitable investment nowadays. Of course, it also has risks, so you need a bit research to invest your money. But many people are investing in crypto and they feel safe. Before investing any cryptocurrency, you must analyze about this currency, market value, its market capital, and so on. Nowadays, there are lots of cryptocurrency online you can find, but most popular currencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Lite Coin, XRP, Orchid, OX, US, and so on. Many of them. So stay with me. I will show you how you can buy, how you can sell any of this currency in the safe place. I will also show you how you can make profit from this currency. And one more thing, stay with me and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's begin. I will show you how you can buy and sell any of these cryptocurrencies. So before doing this, I will give you all of this link in description below, so don't worry. I'm using Coinbase to trade. It's a trading platform of this any of these cryptocurrencies, and I feel safe. So let's begin. I already have an account in here, and I'm trading since a long while, so I feel reliable. This Coinbase. To start trading in this platform, you need to create an account in here. So to create an account, you must go to Get Start and just simply type your name, last name, email address, and choose your password and create an account. That's it. It's very simple. And maybe next time they will ask for your phone number for two-step authentication. So you must provide your mobile number. They will send you an SMS code. So it's very safe and it's very reliable, so you can trust. So let's so I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. So for security reason, I'm not showing my credential. So recently I withdrew some amount, so this is my balance. Here you can see the Bitcoin today's cost is 15,749 Canadian dollars, and this is the Ethereum cost, XRP cost, and Bitcoin Cash, and so on. So here you can see the Bitcoin is most popular one. If you want to see its assets, so you can go to the view asset. So here you can see the details of the market capital. It's very high to 290.9 billion US dollar, and all-time high it was 26,653 is Bitcoin. Now it is 15,000 and plus. So here you can see the all-time high graph last year, 1 month, 1 week, and 1 hour. So if you want to invest in Bitcoin, so just you need to click here, buy Bitcoin. Before do that, you need to set the amount. Such as you want to buy $100 Bitcoin, so preview buy. If I click buy now, it will charge from my account. So my plan is not buy today. Well, telling you how to buy, and if here you can sell your, if you have the amount, you can sell, and you can also convert to one currency to another. So my suggestion is, as you are a beginner, so you need to invest less, and when you invest less, you are used to with this platform, and you can learn more about it. Last week I bought $100 XRP, which cost was only 0.27, but when I see it's 0.40, so I just sold it out. If you see this currency's cost and its capital, it's 18.0 billion, and here you can see any person, the typical hold time is 87 days. The most important thing is here, current trading activity, 53% of buying and 47% of selling. So when I bought this XRP currency, the trading activity was buying was more, like 60%, and selling was 34%, and the cost was 27. So I feel that this there was a feeling in my mind that this currency can be goes up. So it was 27. I bought few, and when I see it's 40, and I sold it out. And see, many people are selling their currencies. So in that way, this type of analysis you need to do yourself, and you can buy and you can sell. It's a really profitable investment, and as far my understanding, it's safe. And the Bitcoin and the XRP both has the strong market capital. So it's if you looking for very safe investment, so I can advise you to go with the Bitcoin. And if you want to learn and how it's work, and it is your first time, so I can advise you to invest with XRP, with the low cost currency. And you also can invest this one, but it is fluctuation is very like 0.14. if you can see this. So see, the all-time high was it's almost $1. Yeah. So in that way you can invest, and you can buy here and sell your currency. So this is the Bitcoin. It is the most powerful cryptocurrency ever. And then Lite Coin and XRP. Ethereum is also good. You can see this market capital 63.9 billion, which is good. Okay, you can buy with your credit card, bank, and you can also buy Bitcoin with another currency. So it's credit card, so I'm using the credit card to buy this currency. So yeah, that's it for today. I will show you the more analytical video, and one by one, step by step, how you can invest in the next couple of videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will show you how you can earn money in online, and how you can invest money online, and what is the best way to invest online. So stay with us, and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. If you want to know anything about this currency and this investment, you can write your comment. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.